Mr. Warren, where are you?
Yes, ma'am. Respect means treating others with dignity, regardless of their rank or status. In the army, it also means following orders, listening actively, and maintaining discipline at all times, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I want to join the army faction to serve with discipline, protect the state, and engage in structured RP with a strong chain of command, ma'am. I enjoy teamwork and want to contribute to keeping orders in one state, ma'am. Higher rank should be addressed with respect using sir, ma'am, or their proper rank. Civilians should be treated politely and professionally unless they pose a threat or break military rules, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can be active 3 to 5 hours daily, ma'am. And I'll make sure to be consistent and follow all duties responsibly, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. AFK stands for away from keyboard, ma'am, meaning the player is not actively controlling their character, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, absolutely not. That would be considered failed RP and it's not allowed, ma'am. All actions must be based on valid RP scenarios, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am. I will tell them to leave, ma'am, because they are not allowed inside the base, ma'am. No, ma'am. I have to talk to them nicely first, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I understand. No, ma'am, I cannot leave the military base without permission from a higher ranking officer or unless I am assigned to a mission or duty outside, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Military vehicles are strictly for official duties only. Using them for personal reason is against the rules, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I fully agree. I understand that following the chain of command, ma'am, is critical to our me discipline and RP realism, ma'am.